So let us look at the question. This is also, the first one is 2008 and the second one is also 2009. WASSCE 2009. Question 3A. Good. So we have these two questions that also follow the cast and the trig law function. So we take the first one, solution. It's advisable we write the question again. So the question reads tan squared x on 3. Tan squared x on 3 minus 1 equals 0. So what we do is send the constant, which is the 1, to the right hand side of the equation. So when that one is done, we are going to get tan squared x on 3 equals to 1. Okay, good. So what we do now is we make it linear just by multiplying through by 3. So if I multiply here by 3 and I multiply here by 3, just is how it's going to be 3 and here also by 3. Now 3 cancels. I've gotten tan squared x to be equals to 3. Good. So what we do now is find, we are supposed to solve for we are supposed to solve this equation, so it means that we are going to find tan inverse of x. So what we do is first let the power which is tan squared cross the equal sign, and I'm going to get tan x to be equals to root of 3. Good. So what we do now is we find the inverse of tan x. So inverse x here is equals to tan inverse root 3. Good. So we still go back to a little bit of the triangles and see we have this. Just bear this one in mind always. If you are getting confused, remember as you have gotten the root 3, remember the needed triangle which will have one section to be root 3. Now put 30 here, I put 1 here, I put 2 here, 60 here. Okay, so we say tan is what? Opposite adjacent. Opposite adjacent. So opposite leading to 60 and adjacent is 1. So we have x here to be equals to what? 60 degrees. So the value of the equation deducing from this is x, giving me 60 degrees. We've gotten the value of x. Now we go on and look at the question 2. Question 2. We said we have been given the range. When we got in a range like this, it means that the angle is acute. We have the range of 0 degrees less than or equals to x, also less than or equals to 90 degrees. It means that the endpoints are inclusive during the normal range. So we have the equation to be say 4 tan x equals to 3. We are first to find x and then what we have at the Bennett. So we quote the equation 4 tan x equals to 3. So what we do now is we divide through by 4. I divide here by 4 and here also by 4. Okay, so I've got tan x to be equals to 3 on 4. Okay, good. So 3 on 4, what we do now is we let the tan cross the equal sign. So we're going to get x here to be equals to tan inverse 3 on 4. 3 on 4. Good. So tan inverse 3 on 4 is what is going to give us the value of x. So if that is the case, then what is the inverse of 3 on 4? It is not formulating with these functions, so you just have to use the normal calculatory function, calculator to points to know the value of s. So s can be solved with the usage of calculator. So you just go to shift that second function, then you click on tan, and you get your answer.